samla Marthika Chaudhry kalayo ban phang ya kapan sngat thei Bhabriew tam jang Shillong mentau snam batip ru kum kapan sngat Miss Shillong arjar pesan ha ka limpung iakob thei Bhabriew ka ba shang shit ba ka bala long ha ka jan mi jong ka sisa jan ha susu tham auditorium ya ka bala pinbit pinbyang da ka Fashion Society Shillong FSS ya ka kusnam ka ba ar first runner up ha ka ni ka rinsan iakob thei Bhabriew la yo ban ko da ka samla Wandaphi karbaman karbaha ka kyrdan ka balai second runner up pan la yo ban ko da ka samla Jolin e lingdo ya ka kusnam third runner up pan la yo da ka samla Nimrat Ranhotra but ya ka kusnam fourth runner up la yo da ka samla Rimika Shilla baro lang ila don hadu kat kandai ngut ki thei Bhabriew ki bawan banya shimbenta ha kani ka limpung ka ba he but shong shet pha kam tam le habala poi shaka kala ka ba khaddu ka ba sa satang sangut ki thei Bhabriew ki bayakani yiki kyrdan ba pher ha kani ka rinsani ko kaladu ha kani ka limpung ka yo ruban korea ka song pisa ka ba shilak tingka kat ba ka samla bawan ha ka kyrdan ka ba ar ka yo nyopasan hajar tingka bot pat sa ka kusnam ka balai ka balong sanpo hajar tingka akani ka ju ka sngi la samru ya ka kusnam Viewers Choice Award akaba ki patpa ki jet da ka ba vote lingba ki rinsan social media kumta ya ka kusnam maupor Viewers Choice Award la yo da ka samla Rimika Shilla katba ya ka kusnam Shillong Times Viewers Choice Award la yo da ka samla Jolin e lingdo hakaju la samru ikiweki kusnam bakerpang shakinong ishim benta subtitle winner iba kentop ya ka kusnam Miss Singh dresses kabayo da ka samla Elizabeth Lingdo nangta ya ka kusnam Miss Silky Skin la yo da ka samla Agnes Lingdo ya ka kusnam Miss Alluring Smile la yo da ka samla Niha Hajong ya ka kusnam Miss Talented la yo da ka samla Wandaphi karbaman kadba ya ka kusnam Miss Sparkling Eyes la yo da ka samla Isa Delia Bare but ya ka kusnam Best Recycle Outfit la yo da ka samla Bashika Warlat Tama la don lang ru ha ka ni ka si na du advisor jo katanat social welfare ka sarkar jila ba Paul Lingdo kumjo principal secretary katanat arts and culture ka sarkar jila ba FR Karkongor na lor kiwe
and the fourth runner up of Miss Shillong 2025 is contestant number 11, Rimika Shillong. Please give her a big round of applause.
Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Rimika Shillong is your fourth runner-up of Miss Shillong 2025. Please give her a huge round of applause.
She has truly gotten through this journey of Miss Shillong with grace and confidence, and she is really a good role model to her colleagues and family members and many people around her. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, your fourth runners-up of Miss Shillong 2025, Miss Rimika Shillong. Please give her a round of applause.
Thank you very much, Mrs. Pirlin Nongbet, for helping us crown our fourth runner-up. We move on to the announcement of our third runner-up this evening. And to help us do that, may I please request Mrs. Marjorie Noreen Dunai to help us crown our third runner-up. Mrs. Marjorie Noreen Dunai is a senior reader. She is a senior reader at the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly and a passionate yoga enthusiast, known for her grace, purpose, and compassion in action. She currently holds the title of Mrs. Global International 2024, having previously been crowned Mrs. Seven Sisters 2020 and Mrs. Shillong 2019. Beyond the stage, she continues to inspire through her commitment to community service. She is also the founder and vice chairperson of her own NGO known as Gracious Givers Foundation. In 2022, she served as the secretary of the Lions Club of Shillong Divas, a charitable organization devoted to community welfare. She is an inspiring speaker and advocates for peace and purpose-driven living, and has graced platforms as a guest speaker at the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th international seminars on peace and humanity in North Bengal, Siliguri, and Kolkata. Ladies and gentlemen, please help us welcome Mrs. Marjorie Noreen Dunai. So, our third runner-up to Miss Shillong 2025 this evening, ladies and gentlemen, is... Who do you think would be our third runner-up? I don't think the audience is ready. Let's just keep the suspense a little long. Are you ready? All right, the third runner-up is contestant number 12, Nimrat Ranhotra. Please give it up for Miss Nimrat Ranhotra, ladies and gentlemen. They have given their best effort for this evening, although they may have participated in several rounds, but ladies and gentlemen, at the end of the competition, we do have only one winner. One more round of applause for Miss Nimrat Ranhotra, our third runner-up to Miss Shillong 2025.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining us on stage. All right, we are getting closer and closer, girls. And the second runner-up is... No, wait. For crowning the second runner-up, I would like to call Miss Loretta Lalu, who is the second runner-up of Miss Shillong 2024, with a round of applause, please.
May I please mention that our second runner-up to Miss Shillong 2025 this evening, ladies and gentlemen, is going to be walking away with a prize package of 50,000 rupees.
All right. The second runner-up of Miss Shillong 2025 is contestant number... Who do you think it is? Contestant number... I can hear you say it. Contestant number 10, Jolene Lingdon.
We appreciate the efforts of all these young ladies, and tonight they really deserve it. Keep the applause going, ladies and gentlemen, for our second runner-up this evening, Jolene and Lingdon.
Jolene has truly come through this time. I've seen her journey in Miss Cherry Blossom. She did beautifully, and today she has outdone herself. She looks stunning, and she has done amazingly well. Ladies and gentlemen, one more time for your second runner-up of Miss Shillong 2025, contestant number 10, Miss Jolene Lingdon. Come on, you can clap louder than that for your second runners-up. Thank you so much, Loretta, for joining us on stage. And for the final moment, may I please call the girls to the center of the stage. You will want to hold your hands.
Okay. Why don't we start the Miss Shillong 2025 all over again, ladies and gentlemen? We've come to this point where we will be announcing our Miss Shillong 2025. And we're so glad that our chief guest this evening, Shri Polingdo, is still with us. And we maybe request her to kindly hand over the dummy check to our winner. So we will be announcing the name of the winner first. We will be announcing Miss Shillong 2025 first, to be followed by our first runner-up. Again, we will be announcing Miss Shillong 2025 to be followed by our first runner-up.
And for this, to crown the winner of Miss Shillong 2025, once again, we would like to have Miss Gracie Nandi, the reigning winner of Miss Shillong 2024, back on stage, please, with a round of applause. And to crown the first runner-up, we would also like to have Miss Shaivalri Lartang on stage.
We have two Miss Shillong winners. We have Miss Shillong 2024 and Miss Shillong 2023 to help us crown our final two. Are you ready? All right, let's give out all our energy one more time because we are coming to the closing of Miss Shillong 2025. Are you ready? Okay. Our Miss Shillong 2025 is
our Miss Shillong, the Queen of Miss Shillong 2025 is
Miss Shillong 2025 goes to contestant number 19, Marthika Chaudhary. A huge round of applause for our winner this evening, ladies and gentlemen. Miss Marthika Chaudhary is your Miss Shillong 2025.
I can see your family dancing with joy and tears in their eyes. Ladies and gentlemen, another round of applause for the winner, the Queen of Miss Shillong 2025, Marthika Chaudhary.
There you have it, our Miss Shillong 2025, ladies and gentlemen. Marthika is going to be walking away with a prize package of 1 lakh rupees. Miss Shillong 2025 is Marthika Chaudhary. And to help crown our first runner-up, that is Miss Wandaphi Karbamon, may I request Miss Shaivalri Lartang to kindly do the honors.
Once again, give it up for your first runner-up of Miss Shillong 2025, Miss Wanda.
She is Wandaphi Karbamon, ladies and gentlemen, your first runner-up to Miss Shillong 2025. Our first runner-up walks away with a prize package of 75,000 rupees.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, you have the winners of Miss Shillong 2025. One more time, can we give them a big round of applause?
May we request our Miss Shillong 2025 and her court to kindly take your first walk.
Our first runner-up, please take a walk. Our second runner-up, we would love for you to take a walk too.
Another huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for all of the ladies who have competed in Miss Shillong 2025. This pageant would have been nothing without their presence. And we also thank all our audience for a lovely time that you've given us. A huge round of applause to all of you as well. A huge round of applause to our judges. May we now invite our chief guest and our special invitee up on stage for a click with our winners.
Ladies, smile. You've done amazing and it is totally paid off.